Hello all. I welcome you all for today's session, which is Introduction to C Programming. In today's session, we are going to cover the details about the operator used in C programming. Before going for today's session, we will see what we have covered in the last session. In the last session, we have covered the features of C programming language, then character set of C program, then constant, variable and keywords used in C programming, and comments in C programming. In this section, we have covered the single line comment and multiple line comment. Next is objective and learning outcome of today's session. Objective of today's session is to understand the concept of each operator in C programming, and learning outcome, we are able to distinguish the role of each operator in C programming after this lecture. In today's session, we are going to learn C programming operators. In this, we will learn about the various operators used in C programming. Now, what is operator? An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical functions. C language is having a built-in operators which are arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, increment decrement operator, conditional operator, bitwise operator and special operator. First is a arithmetic operator. These are the operators used to perform arithmetic and mathematical operations on operands. Example: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo. In this example, A and B are two operands on which we are going to perform various mathematical operations. Plus operator is used to add two operands. Subtract operator is used to subtract second operand from the first one. Multiplication operator is used to multiply A and B operand. Then the division operator is used to divide numerator by denominator. Modulo operator is used to give the remainder when A divided by B. Next operator is relational operators. These are used for comparison of the values of two operands. For example, checking if one operand is equal to the other operand or not, or an operand is greater than the other operand or not. Some of the relational operators are equal to operator. It checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Else, it will give the false, that is 0 at the output. Next is greater than operator. It checks if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true and it will produce the value 1 at the output. Next is the less than operator. It checks if the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand. If yes, then it will produce the 1, otherwise it will produce the 0. In this example, as the left operand is greater than the right operand, so it will give the 0 value at the output. Next is not equal to operator. It checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If the values are not equal, then the condition is true. Next is greater than or equal to operators. It checks if the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand? If yes, then the condition is true. Else, it gives the false value. Next is less than or equal to operator. In this, it checks if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. But in this case, as the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand, so it gives the value 0 at the output. Next is logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine two or more conditions or to complement the evaluation of the original condition in consideration. The result of the operation of a logical operator is a Boolean value, either true or false. We are having three logical operators: logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. Two ampersand symbol represent the logical AND operator. Two vertical lines represent the logical OR operators, and the single exclamation symbol represent logical NOT operator. In logical AND operator, if all the operand input conditions is true, that is non-zero, then it gives true at the output, that is 1. If any of the operand input or condition is 0, then it produces 0 at the output. In this example, C is equal to 5 and D is equal to 2. And we are having two conditions, or say two inputs, that is C equals to 5 and D greater than 5. Here C equals to 5 gives 1 as the condition is satisfied, and D greater than 5 it produces 0 as the condition is not satisfied. So at the output we are getting the result 0. In logical OR operator, if any of the condition input operand is non-zero, then the conditions becomes true. Or if all the operand input conditions are non-zero, then the conditions become true. With the same example, C is equal to 5 and D is equal to 2, then the expression, that is condition 1, C equals to 5 or D is greater than 5, is produce the output 1, as the first condition is non-zero and another condition is 0. That is, any one of the condition is true, it gives the output 1. Third operator is logical NOT operator. It is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. If a condition is true, then the logical NOT operator will make it false. If the condition is false, then the logical operator make it true. In this example, C equals to 5, then this expression, it produces the output value 0. Why? As this C equals to 5 is a true, and as we know, logical NOT operator reverses the logical state of its operand. Hence, we are getting 1 from C equals to 5 expression, and logical NOT operator gives the 0 at the output. Next operator is a assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign value to a variable. The left side operand of the assignment operator is a variable and right side operand of the assignment operator is a value. The value on the right side must be of the same data type of the variable on the left side. We'll see what is data type in another sessions. Now here, this equal to symbol is referred as assignment operator. Here it is called as a simple assignment operator. This operator is used to assign the value on the right side to the value on the left variable. For example, here we are having a equals to 10, that means that 10 is get assigned to the variable a, or a assigned b, that is the value of b is get assigned to the variable a. Next is add and assignment operator. This operator is a combination of add and assignment operators. In this operator first adds the current value of the variable on left side to the value on the right side and then assign the results to the variable on left side. Similarly, we are having subtract and assignment operator, multiplication and assignment operator, division and assignment operator, and modulus and assignment operator. In these examples, the subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus is done in between the left hand side and the right hand side operands, and the result is get stored into the left hand side operand. That is, value of b is get subtracted from a and the result is stored into the variable a, that is on left side. Similarly, left hand side operand a and right hand side operand b is get multiplied and the result is get stored into the left hand side operand a. Similarly, left hand side operand a is get divided by right hand side operand b and the result is get stored into the left hand side operand a. Similarly, the modulus of left hand side operand a and the right hand side operand b is calculated and it is get stored into the left hand side operand a.